Children, today I will discuss question number 3. So I have already begun a new chapter, circle, chapter 13. So let us start. In the figure, CD is diameter. So check, CD is diameter. Yes, a line passing from one boundary to the other boundary and passing through the center, such lines are called diameter. So you can see C is passing from this particular boundary to the other boundary, and it is also passing through the center of circle. So CD is diameter, and half of diameter is radius, like OC is radius, OD is radius, even OB also is radius. Now there are two radius in this diagram, three radius in the diagram, OC, OD and OB. Now after that the question says which meets the chord AB in E. So this particular diameter meets AB, the chord AB. This is chord, AB is chord, meets at E. So you can see here, such that AE equal to BE equal to 4. Now after it meets here at E, then what happened? BE and AE, BE and AE became equal, and both are now 4 centimeter. If CE is 3 centimeter, only CE, the down part, C to E is 3 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. So we have to find the radius of circle. Actually OB was not given in the diagram. I have done from my part, because when I do this, when I draw this line, what happens? I find a triangle here. So that's why I have constructed O to B. Now you can see a triangle here. Triangle's name you can see here as OBE, and where E is the 90 degree. Now solution starts. In the figure, OB equal to OC. OB equal to OC. Why? Because OB also is radius, OC also is radius. They are equal, radius of the same circle. And let OB equal to OC equal to X. Let the radius be X. If OB is X, then OC also will be X. So now you know OC is X, and EC is 3 centimeter. So when EC or CE is 3 centimeter, then our OE will be X minus 3, because this everything is X and down part is 3. So everything minus this lower part will give OE. So we can say OE is OC minus EC or CE. So now you will be saying, sorry, why are you finding OE? Then let me tell you, in this triangle OE is perpendicular. So if I know perpendicular, I can find the value of radius, because base is given. So OE is OC minus CE, that is OC is X and CE is 3. CE or EC both are same. CE is 3. So X minus 3 centimeter. So now you can say in this triangle, base BE is 4, perpendicular OE, just now we got X minus 3. So in the triangle OBE, this particular triangle, I have used a formula H square equal to P square plus B square. Now who is H here? H is radius, OB. OB is our H, hypotenuse. OB square equal to perpendicular is OE. OE square plus base is BE square. Now put the respective values. OB we have kept it as name as X. X square equal to OE, just now we got X minus 3. So X minus 3 whole square plus BE base is 4 square. So X square is same. This is a formula of A minus B whole square, where A is X square minus 2 into A is X into B is 3 plus B square, that is 3 square, plus after that plus 4 square. 4 square is 16. So from here to here is a formula of A minus B whole square, and this 16 comes from 4 square. Now X square on the left hand side, X square on the right hand side can be cancelled, because later when they come in one side, one will be plus, one will be minus. So we can cancel. Now here nothing remains now, 0, and this will be minus 2 3 just 6x plus 3 square is 9 plus 16. So this minus 6x comes this side, plus 6x equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. So x equal to 25 by 6. So if we divide 6 4s are 24, 1 comes as remainder 1 by 6. So x equal to 4 whole 1 by 6 centimeter, because x is our radius, because we have to find the radius. Question is find the radius, and radius is OB, and OB we have kept as x. So value of x is 4 whole 1 by 6. That is, this is our radius. So our answer has come. Same question I have given here as homework, children. Please do this question as homework. Thank you, children.